Hello, YouTube modelers. So I want to just share some excitement with everyone. Received a package from Jethro48. So let's see what's in the box. It is a Tony Stewart number 20 Home Depot Grand Prix from Revell. It was great of Jeff to send me this kit because I had a conversation with him about how my kids put together a display from Home Depot. It was from the kids' workshop when they were really small, and it's made of wood. And of course, fittingly, because it's from Home Depot, they had their Home Depot sponsored number 20 stock car. I think that might be a Toyota Camry stock car, but anyway, it is a number 20. I currently have a 58 Impala on it. It has checkerboard pattern on the bottom, which is kind of coming off, but I had mentioned that I actually had a display, and he was nice enough to forward me this kit. So I look forward to building it. It should match up pretty nice when I put it on the display over there. So thank you, Jeff, for the kit. And also want to thank Matt from Model Car Videos for giving the one of many kits to Jeff, which he subsequently forwarded this one to me so I can put together. So I'm looking forward to putting this together. So thank you, Jeff, and also thank you, Matt. Thank you.